An appeal is being made for Jamaicans to not support restaurants that are not certified by the Public Health Department in the Ministry of Health. This because persons could be at risk of contracting diseases. We have more from TVJ Shamela Pullen in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness records at least 150 cases of leptospirosis each year. But according to Director of Veterinary Public Health, Dr. Lynette Peters, the figures could be much higher. Dr. Peters says although the disease is endemic to Jamaica, it is grossly underreported.
The disease, because the clinical signs are similar to many other diseases, common diseases, even now we're in this dengue outbreak, some of the clinical signs are similar to that of even dengue. We have some issues with our laboratory capacity to diagnose and detect these cases. So we are not able to do as much surveillance and investigation even to identify the source of this infection.
Leptospirosis is an infectious disease caused by a bacteria. This bacteria is transmitted to humans from domestic animals, including rats. Dr. Peters says persons at times contract the deadly bacteria by purchasing foods from places that are not certified by the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
Food establishments in general are licensed annually. So every year there is an inspection that is done to certify for certification. And there are ad hoc inspections during the course of the year. And after this inspection and also the training of the workers, then the establishment is licensed and the food handler also gets his or her permit.
Dr. Peters admits that sometimes these food places will escape public health inspections. She says one of the concerns is the pop-up of mobile food facilities, which are difficult to track and inspect. Therefore, she's calling on Jamaicans to assist the Ministry of Health by purchasing food at places where the license is in a visible place.
Another important thing is that the license also expires. So it also look on the date that it is dated so that you know that facility at least has been subject to some inspection and certification and has met basic minimum public health requirements and standards.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.